Hey everyone, today I'm covering everything you need to know about Zendrop, a dropshipping platform built by dropshippers for dropshippers. It's designed to fix some of the biggest headaches that come from sourcing products from China, slow shipping, unreliable suppliers, and all the back and forth that can drag on for days. In this review, I'll go over exactly how Zendrop works, the key features it offers, what kind of seller it's probably best suited for, and I'll also cover a few other things to watch out for so you can decide if it's right for your store. So once you've signed up, Zendrop gives you a 7-day free trial of their Plus plan. It's a solid way to get a feel for the platform before committing to a paid plan, and from there you can decide if it's a good fit for your store. Inside the main dashboard is where you'll manage everything, adding products, tracking orders, and setting up custom branding if that's something you're aiming for. You can fulfill orders manually, but most people turn on auto fulfillment, which automatically handles the entire process for you. It sends each order to the supplier, tracks it, and can even use express shipping if you prefer. So it's a great way to streamline things without needing a virtual assistant. Zendrop works directly with vetted manufacturers and suppliers in China, so you're getting competitive pricing without needing to negotiate anything yourself. And if you want faster shipping, you can pre-stock inventory in US warehouses. That gets delivery times down to just 3 to 5 days for US customers, and tracking flows through Shopify's API so everything stays synced. For sourcing products, you can browse Zendrop's built-in library or request a custom quote if you found something on AliExpress or want a better supplier. You can also filter by category, shipping location, or supplier rating, which makes it easy to find what you need fast. And then on the branding side, there's support for private labeling, custom packaging, and personalized thank you cards that can include promo codes or offers for repeat business. You'll need to meet a minimum order quality for most customizations, but it's a great option if you're trying to build a real brand. There's also Zendrop Academy, with over 40 training videos covering everything from Facebook ads to scaling strategies. And if you're looking to increase average order value, Zendrop includes tools for product bundles and subscription boxes, all built in, no extra apps required. And if you're thinking of giving Zendrop a try, there's an affiliate link in the description and down in the comments section. And we usually have special deals there that you won't find if you just go straight to the website, so feel free to check it out. So as you can see, Zendrop covers all the essential bases for running a standard dropshipping business, but beyond those core features, it also adds a couple of powerful specialized services designed to solve two of the biggest challenges for sellers: creating unique products and getting a store launched quickly. Zendrop's print-on-demand service allows merchants to sell a wide variety of custom-designed products without managing any inventory. Using an in-app tool, you can upload your unique designs onto a large catalog of blank items, including apparel, bags, hats, and home decor, then list them directly in your store. A key advantage of Zendrop's POD is that it focuses on US-based fulfillment, which ensures faster processing and shipping times compared to overseas suppliers. This emphasis on speed and quality helps you create a truly distinctive brand identity. To accelerate a new business launch, Zendrop also offers AI-built stores. That one provides entrepreneurs with a pre-built, fully optimized Shopify store designed for high conversions. These stores come with a professional theme, which would normally be a significant expense, at no additional cost. Furthermore, each store is pre-populated with 20 hand-picked trending products selected by Zendrop specialists, saving you the time and research of building a store from scratch and giving you a powerful head start in the market. As far as Zendrop's pricing itself, well, that's split into 3 levels. The free plan provides limited access to the platform's features, including over 1 million products and 24/7 customer support. It's designed for new users who want to explore Zendrop without any money down. The Pro plan costs $49 per month or $33 when billed annually. It includes everything from the free plan plus unlimited orders and custom branding. It's really what I would call the ideal for growing businesses. The Plus plan is at $79 per month or $45 per month with the annual. You get all the features from Pro along with premium seller tools like access to top winning products, live weekly coaching calls, Zendrop Academy, print-on-demand services, and Zendrop AI. If you're looking to maximize growth and scale operations, this is the one for you. The best value obviously overall comes with an annual subscription, but it is worth starting with a free trial just to see if Zendrop is the right fit for your needs. Now, if you're weighing options, there are a few other dropshipping platforms worth mentioning. AutoDS is a cloud-based tool with a huge product selection, over 500 million items, and global shipping, though its pricing ranges from around $20 to $50 per month, and the interface is more complex. Spocket focuses on US and EU suppliers, which can mean faster shipping to those regions, but its product range is smaller compared to Zendrop, and plans start at $24 a month when billed annually. CJ Dropshipping is free to use and offers fulfillment from multiple countries, but it doesn't have as many branding options as Zendrop. And Ali Dropship works directly with AliExpress for a one-time fee, though you will be giving up most of the automation and private labeling features. Now, while Zendrop is generally reliable, there have been occasional complaints about stock errors or fulfillment delays. These aren't common, but it's worth keeping in mind if you sell high volumes or run really time-sensitive promotions. So overall, Zendrop is best suited for sellers who want a streamlined, automation-heavy workflow, access to a wide supply supplier network and the ability to build a branded customer experience. It's not the cheapest option out there, but if your priority is speed, branding, and hands-off fulfillment, it's one of the stronger choices out there. So hopefully you found this review helpful, and if you did, please leave it a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. If Zendrop sounds like it might be a fit for your store, check out that link in the description. Like I mentioned earlier, we usually have special offers on our affiliate links that you wouldn't see if you went straight to the company's websites. And if you have any questions about Zendrop or dropshipping in general, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I always enjoy answering as many of those as I can. And finally, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.